Welcome to Indian Box. Discover the soul of the Himalayas. Uttarakhand offers a harmonious blend of pristine nature and timeless craftsmanship. Our curated selection from this Himalayan region includes organic produce nurtured by fertile mountain soil, handcrafted paper reflecting traditional artistry, and pure dairy products rooted in age-old practices. Each item captures the untouched beauty and cultural richness of Uttarakhand, where every creation is a tribute to sustainability, heritage, and the spirit of the hills. At Indian Box, we bring you these treasures to experience the heart of the mountains in every detail. Discover Uttarakhand's natural bounty and artisanal heritage. Explore organic produce, handmade paper, and dairy excellence. Learn about eco-friendly practices and traditional methods. Partner with us to bring these treasures to your customers. Uttarakhand's pristine environment, with its clean air and pure water, offers ideal growing conditions. The mineral-rich mountain soils nurture exceptional produce, while the cool climate fosters slow growth, intensifying flavors naturally. Glacial waters further enhance the quality, providing some of the purest water sources on earth, benefiting all products. Mountain apples offer crisp, juicy flavors and impressive shelf life, thriving at high altitudes without synthetic chemicals. Himalayan cherries, rich in antioxidants, are handpicked at peak ripeness. Seasonal delights like plums, peaches, and pears are cultivated using traditional methods, reflecting the pristine environment of the region. Organic farming emphasizes natural fertilizers like compost and vermicompost to enrich soil. Pest management relies on traditional botanical solutions, avoiding chemicals. Water conservation is achieved through ancient irrigation techniques, reducing usage. Seed preservation involves maintaining heirloom varieties, ensuring biodiversity through generational knowledge. Our vegetable bounty features nutrient-rich leafy greens, robust root vegetables, and seasonal specialties. These are cultivated without synthetic inputs, ensuring a natural and healthy produce selection. This approach not only enhances flavor but also supports sustainable agriculture, aligning with eco-friendly practices. Artisanal paper craftsmanship begins with sustainably gathering plant fibers and recycled materials. Traditional techniques ensure perfect pulp consistency. Hand pouring and manipulation create unique textures, while sun drying preserves environmental integrity and energy efficiency. Handmade paper products offer unique charm and sustainability. Notebooks and journals provide a canvas for creativity, while eco-friendly gift packaging enhances the gifting experience. Greeting cards, each a work of art, express sentiments with natural beauty, making every piece distinct and meaningful. Cotton rags transform into smooth, durable paper, offering a unique character. Repurposing waste paper reduces landfill waste, conserving resources. Local plant fibers like hemp and jute provide distinct textures. Natural additives such as flower petals, leaves, and spices enhance visual appeal, creating paper that is both sustainable and aesthetically pleasing. Cows graze freely on mountain herbs, enhancing milk's flavor and nutrition. Traditional small batch processing preserves natural enzymes and beneficial bacteria. With minimal intervention, our products remain free from artificial additives, offering pure dairy goodness from the Himalayan foothills. Explore our dairy range, artisanal cheese with unique mountain flavors, ideal for gourmet dishes. Traditional ghee, crafted from grass-fed cow milk, offers a nutrient-rich, nutty aroma. Cultured butter, churned from fermented cream, enhances flavors. Fresh milk, minimally processed, retains natural microbes and creaminess. Traditional methods significantly reduce carbon emissions by minimizing fossil fuel usage. Circular practices transform byproducts into valuable resources, reducing waste. Ancient techniques conserve water, preserving this vital resource. Sustainable harvesting ensures biodiversity protection, maintaining ecological balance. These practices not only benefit the environment but also support local communities and traditional knowledge. 80% of our producers are small family operations, fostering local employment in rural communities. Women empowerment is significant, with 60% of artisans and farmers being women entrepreneurs. Traditional knowledge is preserved as 90% of products utilize techniques passed down through generations, ensuring cultural heritage and sustainable practices. Uttarakhand products offer unmatched quality, reflecting the region's pristine environment and craftsmanship. By choosing these products, you support sustainable practices that preserve natural resources and benefit local families. Experience India's ancient wisdom and Himalayan heritage through these authentic offerings, connecting deeply with traditional ways of life. Thank you. India Unbox connects Uttarakhand's finest producers with global consumers, preserving traditions and fostering sustainable livelihoods. Start your journey with us to offer these exceptional products. Reach us at Modinagar, Uttar Pradesh. Call +91 87-553-00795, email support@indianbox.com or visit our website at indianbox.com.